You finished!
Yay!
This is what she just did. It looks so great.
I'm so happy with it.
Wow. It looks so pretty.
Not bad for our first time, huh?
No, not even halfway bad.
So if you're watching this, you can do it too.
Exactly. So we've done all of this. Oh, except for this. I hate these switch plates, please. Oh, thank you. I'll do this one. I hate them. So there's that. And then I had to go to the store and get a new blade for the tiling tool. So she started over here, which is by where the stove goes, of course. And these are the bullnose tiles right here. And then down that way. So I came in and I started working on that. So this should be done pretty quickly. It's just a bunch of cutting. But yeah, I'm excited. And then we'll do the chevron or houndstooth.
Herringbone.
What am I saying? Herringbone.
So start that sentence over so you can
We'll
add the whole
do the herringbone. I'm about to lay the last full horizontal tile. Actually, I guess it's not full because I
just cut it.
Oh, well, I should film this moment. That moment was this one right here. That was... Anyway, this is here. And then she's doing this here. This is looking so fantastic. So, we figure another hour of work. Believe it or
said
not.
that 4 times.
But this time, don't you agree? Maybe a little more, an hour and a half.
An hour and a half. 2 tops.
Gosh.
2 tops. Because all of this has got to be cut.
Yeah. This is still worthwhile, guys.
Yes, it
it's
is.
Just
don't be in a hurry.
Ever. Be patient. Larry was right. Have patience. Alright, we'll check back in a minute. Hey guys, I just finished snipping the very, 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 very last tile. I'm about to sand it. And then I'm going to put it in. I can't believe it. Actually, I've already scored and snipped this one before, this exact tile. And I messed it up. And I was so tempted to just put it in anyway. But then I heard my mother's voice in my mind. I heard Larry from Home Depot's voice in my mind telling me that I wanted to do it right. And I wanted to look back and know that I'd done it right. So I cut and scored another one. And now we're going to sand it. I'm so glad I bought this little sandy block. Because not a single one of my little cuts have been perfect, but this has really made it forgivable. Okay. So you get it pretty straight like that. And then and for these little triangles, I haven't even really been like being too crazy about scraping off the back and all that kind of thing. Alright, let's do this together. Here it is, the very last gap. We numbered them. This is number 5. I'm actually looking through the viewfinder. I'm trying to line it up. Down just a little bit. Oh, guys, this is so hard. I mean, it's not so hard, but it's hard. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. So this is the new piece. Yeah, I'm gonna put there instead.
There you go.
I'm done. This is the second time I'm recording this clip, so I'm a little less than enthused, but it's finally over. I was saying that I'm really thankful that I have my mom and that she did this with me, because I don't think I would be able to do it by myself. But I think it looks really good, so tomorrow or maybe the next day I'm gonna grout. And I decided that no, you're gonna have to wait and find out what color grout I do. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day.